Well, good day. I'm Michael Groves from Dwarven Enterprises, and today I want to talk about how do you straighten fibre optic cable. You see, when fibre optic cable is made, it's put onto a reel, and it's a reel that's pretty large, and it's wrapped around very tightly. This is about half a mile of fibre, which is the way we buy it. But so when it comes off there, it's going to have natural curvature. There are times when you really would like that fibre to be straight, particularly at the end. Say you're putting it into a building, you don't want it curving around. You could straighten it by just sticking it up into, say, a coffee straw in a building. But you could also just straighten it. Now, if you go on the web, you're going to find several descriptions of how to do this. One, for example, is to use a hot air gun. I've used that technique, and the trouble with it is it requires some skill if you're not going to melt the fibre. So it's a little bit tricky. So I want to show you today a very simple approach. And what it is I've actually taken some fibres here and I've put a series of aluminum tubes, I've glued them together, they're hollow tubes, stuck the fibres up into those, and I'm going to just insert those into some boiling water. So I've just boiled the jug over here. So let's insert those into the jug, and I'll just count to 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull those out so I can handle it. I'm just going to put it under cold water. And let's take a look at some of the fibres. So let's pull the fibre out. And there we have it. It's very straight, as you can see. Okay, let's just pull another one out. And we'll see that that one also very, very straight. So now I've got very straight fibres, very simple process to use. And so I hope you have fun lighting your buildings, your scenery, maybe your dolls' houses, whatever, with fibre optics. So welcome to the world of lighting without wiring with Dwarven Enterprises. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye for now.